Hi guys, and welcome to Copy Trading Chronicles channel. Today we will make mid of September review of my copy trading experience. It was not easy. First 2 weeks of September was not easy at all, and you will see how I'm performing, and we'll dive deeper what's going on and how we're solving the things. So let's start. So you can see that versus August, my starts goes a bit down in performance. So last 30 days it's still good, it's still 60%, but goes down win rate a bit. Maximum drawdown also grows, yeah, to 40%, and I will explain what happens. As I say, last 2 weeks was not easy in terms of trading. And yeah, followers, unfortunately I start to gain first followers, and you can see that initially they did good and generate the profit, but last 2 weeks was tough, and yeah, and some followers lose money, but we will go to them later on. So yeah, you can see that it's in fact it's a previous week, last week there was drawdown and some things which goes not well. More particularly you see, so I was entering into the short deal, and then Solana get with like incredible growth, like $50 within 1 week, which is approximately plus 25% of the price of Solana. So you see it started from 200 and grows to 250. Yeah, let me show. Yeah, here on the daily graph you see that somewhere here like level of 200, Solana start and grows 7 days ahead and moves up to 250. So I get gain from that, and then from 220 somewhere here, you see this is my position. I'm entering into correction, yeah, and that was like things which doesn't works. So let's say it was mistake, not mistake, but it was a bit challenging. So you see I still keep this deal, and I survive, and now it's going correcting back, and on the daily chart we can see that stochastic moves down. So I expect that we can close this deal, still close this deal at least at the zero profit and zero losses, but it calls me some negative statistic, some drawdown, and yeah, because not all followers was very patient. So let's look in more details. Yeah, here is the current situation with my followers. So you see, as I say, position now is in, I would not say that it's slight drawdown, it's medium drawdown, yeah. You see it's like something like 14 to 20% drawdowns. And yeah, so there is still 9 followers who decide to stay, and even one who joined me in the beginning of August, and you see this guy is still positive. Despite drawdown we have now, this guy still has profit. Means in long term of my strategy, you gain more than you lose. But as I say, result of last week, it's that people goes to drawdown. And yeah, patience is a key, because you see people who fix the losses, like for example this guy, he disconnected, stopped to subscribe and fix his losses on the level of 20%. Means 12% drawdown, it's almost like nothing. I mean, it's manageable. There is no deals when you entering and you immediately get profit, yeah. So this is a market, so it means we always select entry point, and then this entry point go up and down, up and down. So I would say up to 20% is manageable, and there's nothing should scare you if you are looking how to subscribe. So never do like this, like when it's 12%, let's trader do his best and improve, because maybe just wrong entry, and guy will fix it in upcoming days. But this what happens. So people start to unsubscribe on the levels where it's not really the warning. Yeah, like you see this guy is almost unsubscribed, like 0.1. Okay, this guy was not patient enough. Like you see, he fixed his dip, like he unsubscribed on the level minus 31%. And you see, if he would stay a bit longer, I already managed that it's become like minus 14%. You see, minus. So it means it's another mistake. Unsubscribe on the dip. Just wait, let the trader trades. Like you see, this guy managed $500. I put my own $3,500. Yeah, so it means I'm doing my best to save my money as well. So yeah, but people did what they did. There was a bit in the panic due with drawdown. You see, some of them unsubscribe on the level minus 5%. What the hell? Yeah, what guys do you expect? You join with $100 and you expect that next day or in a few hours become 200. It never happens. I mean, so yeah, you see, and level of unsubscriptions, it's brings me to the point that yeah, really, when you're investing, in me or in some other traders, you need to be patient. You need to trust your trader. Otherwise, you will fix the dip how those guys make, and you will fix and disappear. So and it's a worst case scenario. So finally, you see, I still have 9 followers, and it's like under $2,000 under management, and I still my own deposit is much above than those investment. And the deal, yeah, as you see, the deal, it's under correction. You see, there is some orders, so it means I work over strategy to move this deal out of the negative losses. So if we're successful and the market will move down, which I hope and which most probably will happen today, tomorrow, so during this week. So I'm targeting, so end of week we can move back to the normal condition and start to generate profits with new deals again. So yeah, that's update for this week, for the 2 weeks of trade. So you can see that 90 days is still fine. It's still okay, like plus almost 100% for the last 90 days. And 30 days, it's a bit scary, but it's still 60%. Means even with drawdown, I got like 42% in long term. And I say always, my strategy is not for the jumpers, like come in, come out, come in, come out. It's for the long term copy traders. So if you want to earn in copy trading and follow my personal experience, how I'm doing and what happens, yeah, join with me. You can see I put my own money under risk. So you can join with me, follow me, copy me, and gain potential profit together. So that's all I think for today's update. Subscribe, like, follow me, and I wish you all the best, all the profit and earnings in copy trading. All the good.